I'm here because I think that he was a really wonderful, fine human being. And quite frankly, I think that's more important in many cases than the policies of a president. We can agree or disagree with the policies, but if we respect the human being, I think it's a much broader framework for civility and goodwill in a country.
You know, just had an incredible career in just some amazing positions. You know, congressman, ambassador, vice president of the United States, and then of course president. And he was a great man from a great family, and really appreciate what he did for our country. And I thought it was important to come out and just pay our respects.